Have any class today, so today is gonna be a full work day. Actually, I also did some work yesterday. And patapos na kasi yung term, so medyo busy din with school.
Hey guys, so do you want to remove background noises from any audio, whether it's a vocal recording from a professional mic or your smartphone, or maybe the audio from your video? I can help you with that. First is go to podcast.adobe.com/enhance or just click the link in the description below. Now here, just simply drag your audio recording in. This will automatically remove background noise and enhance the clarity of your voice. And just wait for it to finish enhancing. And now it's finished. We can preview or just download the enhanced version. For me, I'll just wanna export my newly cleaned up recording by hitting this download button. After that, drag the enhanced version to your project session. And let's compare.
I have any class today, so today is gonna be a full work day. Actually, I also did some work yesterday. And patapos na kasi yung term, so medyo busy din with school. So, konting push na lang.
And that's it. With Adobe Podcast Speech Enhancement, you can quickly and easily clean up your voice recordings and make them sound professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.